Good day, Jamaican Insiders. Welcome to Worthington Avenue here in Kingston. On our left, as you can see, is the UCC, University College of the Caribbean. Just gonna drive through. Worthington Terrace on our left. Right here on our left is a restaurant called Janga's. Actually closed now. I think they're having a private function. And we're passing by the headquarters for the Jamaica Labour Party, JLP, also on our left. Jamaica National has a office here on our left. Maybe not many of you know that. I thought this was a restaurant, but it seems to be a car wash. just a brief look. As you can see, Worthington Avenue. It's not the longest road here in Kingston, but still I thought I'd share with you. Located right off Trafalgar Road, which we are approaching right now. Alright, so I'm going to leave it here for today. Thank you so much for sticking and staying. Hope you've enjoyed it. If you did, hit that like button, and do remember to subscribe and hit the notification bell for all. Thank you. I'm just going to let it run so you can enjoy the scenery. I don't know if you can hear the birds in the background. Alright, and now we're on Trafalgar Road. Again, thank you so much for sticking and staying until the end. Hope you've enjoyed it. Do take care of yourself. Jamaican Insider out.